Number 5. The Works WX2424V electrical screwdriver set is a compact, powerful tool for home DIY projects, featuring a brushless motor and a 30-piece bit set. With a maximum torque of 8 Nm, it handles various tasks with ease. USB rechargeable, it's lightweight and versatile, making it ideal for assembling furniture and fixing appliances. This versatile tool is suitable for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. Number 1. The CPVAN Tuya Smart Home Alarm System is a reliable security solution for homes. It features a 7-inch HD display, a 5000 mAh battery, and a 115 dB siren. It supports up to 150 zones and 150 output devices, connects wirelessly, and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. The system includes door/window sensors, 8 wired zones, a password keyboard, anti-fingerprint IPS display, and Type-C power interface. It supports OTA online upgrades in multiple languages, and is CE and RoHS certified. Number 2. The GauTone PG103 alarm system offers reliable home security with wireless 433 MHz Wi-Fi and GSM capabilities. It features a 99-zone configuration with door/window sensors and a 3.7 V/500 mAh backup battery for continuous protection. It operates with a DC 5V input and low current draw for energy efficiency. The compact host has an integrated siren output of less than 500 mA for clear alerts. CE and RoHS certified, it provides secure, wireless protection with a wide working temperature range and low standby current. Number 3. The MULO PG103 alarm system is a wireless home security system with 99 zones, door/window sensors, and 90 wireless detectors. It operates on 433 MHz GSM and Wi-Fi, is controlled via the Tuya Smart app, and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. It features a built-in 2.4-inch TFT color display, password keyboard, dual network mode, SMS alerts, and customizable zone types. It also has an anti-tamper alarm, multilingual support, and multiple zone settings storage. Number 4. The PGST Smart Life Alarm System is a wireless home security system with 99 zones, Wi-Fi and GSM connectivity, and integration with door/window sensors and motion detectors. It's controlled via the Tuya Smart app and Alexa voice control. It features a password keyboard for arming/disarming, SMS, PSTN, and app control options. Certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, it provides real-time alerts and seamless integration into your smart home. Number 5. The Irikong Yar G50 Wi-Fi GSM alarm system provides wireless security with 100 zones, including door/window sensors and motion detectors. It supports Wi-Fi and GSM connections, integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, and features a password keyboard for easy arming and disarming. Energy efficient, it has 5 output options and is compatible with RFID card arming. Certified with CE and RoHS, it offers real-time alerts and remote control for modern home security. Thanks for watching the video.